Given that log x base 3 is equal to 4 log 3 base x, find x. Take solution. Log x base 3 is equal to 4 log 3 base x. Applying the law of power at the right hand side, the law of power states that if you take the log of a to the power n base b is simply equal to n log a base b. From the right hand side, going back to the left, this will give us log x base 3 to be equal to the log of 3 raised to the power 4 base x, applying the law of power. Next step, we are going to change the base of log 3 to the power 4 base x to a new base of 3. We know that changing the base of a logarithm, we are given the log of a to the base b, and we have to change the base to a new base c. This will simply be equal to the log of a base c divided by the log of b base c. We are going to apply this formula to change the base from x to a new base of 3. This will give us log x base 3 to be equal to the log of 3 to the power 4 base 3, which is the new base, all over the log of x base 3. The reason why we are changing the base to a new base of 3 is simply because at the left hand side we have a base of 3. This will simply give us the log of x base 3 to be equal to log 3 to the power 4 base 3. Applying the law of power, this law, it gives us 4 log 3 base 3, 4 log 3 base 3 all over the log of x base 3. The log of a base a is equal to 1. It simply means log 3 base 3 is equal to 1. 4 times 1 remains 4. This will give us log x base 3 to be equal to 4 all over log x base 3. We can express log x base 3 as log x base 3 over 1. Next step, we are going to perform cross multiplication. Log x base 3 times log x base 3, x base 3 times log x base 3 is equal to 1 times 4. Log x base 3 times log x base 3, this gives us log x base 3 all this squared is equal to 1 times 4, which is 4. Then the next thing we are going to do is we are going to take square root on both sides. The square root of the log of x base 3 all this squared is equal to the square root of 4. This and this will cancel off. We'll be left with the log of x base 3 is equal to, here we are going to take the positive square root, which is 2. Next, we know if we take the log of a base b and it is equal to C, then simply means our A is equal to B raised to the power C. That's what it means. We are going to change from logarithmic form to index form. This will imply that our x will be equal to the base, which is 3 raised to the power 2. And 3 raised to the power 2 is simply equal to 3 times 3, which is simply equal to 9. Therefore, our x is equal to 9. That means if you replace x in this equation with 9, log 9 base 3 is equal to 4 log 3 base 9, which is equal to 2. We are done with the solution. If in case you have any worries, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please, if you like the video, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.